isn't it?
I guess.
What are you doing tomorrow night? Huh?
I'm gonna go get drunk at Rachel's house.
Alright, so there you go.
You just said that on tape.
Line though, because my mom will checks out your site, dude.
Tell Rachel I said make sure she stays in the kitchen
Get
where
another
she
one.
belongs.
Oh, not that Rachel.
Oh, okay.
I'm done partying with her. Not ratchet. She's a mean drunk. I don't like her.
Look at their wings.
That's you, you mean drunk.
Who?
Katie, come here. Good job. No, hold it here.
Yeah, hold the pink part. Look, I'm telling you. I don't see how he didn't break his damn hand. You should see their dad. It's all that freaking knuckles in it. I'm like,
What's Shauna's number? Do you have it?
Her cell phone. I know. Her 46 something.
No, it's 422 something.
Or the sprinkler.
Her cell phone is off.
Chuck it.
Make a circle. Hey, there you go.
It's a bottle rocket.
Hey, look at me.